Our disease is cryptosporidosis.
The etiological agent is Cryptosporidium parvum. After being ingested, the oocytes will work its way to the small intestine. From there, the sporozoites are released and attached to the microvilli of the epithelial cells. They will then become trophozoites that will reproduce asexually by mitotic activity. Trophozoites develop into type 1 neuron containing 8 daughter cells. Other cells are type 1 merozoites, which are released from the lung. In the sexual pathway, some of the merozoites become type 2 neurons, which contain 4 type 2 merozoites. These merozoites get released and they attach to the epithelial cells. From there, they become either macrogamonts or microgametes. These are the female and male sexual forms respectively. Microgametes from the microgametes penetrate the macrogametes, forming zygotes. The zygotes develop into 2 types of oocysts. Some of the oocysts have thin walls that allow them to reinfect the host by rupturing and releasing sporozoites. The thick wall oocysts are excreted into the environment, and upon excretion, the oocysts are mature, infective, and can survive in the environment for months.
Signs and symptoms are vomiting, stomach cramps, or diarrhea.
As Chrissy used the restroom, she contaminates the flushing apparatus. She'll walk away without washing her hands, contaminating the doorknob inside and outside the door. While she walks away, she doesn't know she's going to contaminate the next person. You can see the feces and the Cryptosporidium on the doorknob. As I flush the toilet when I'm done, I wash my hands because my hygiene is way better than Christy's. I wash while soaping my hands for at least 20 seconds. Drying my hands and walking away, I touch the doorknob, contaminating my own hands on both in and outside the doorknob. As I wait for my friend, he gives me some Cheetos, and I self-contaminate myself with the goodness.
Our poo is not really poo. Our poo is made out of chocolate, almond, and graham crackers and water. So don't be afraid because I ate all this stuff.
And it poo. It will poop in it.
There is no reliable treatment for Cryptosporidium. Antibiotics and antiparasitic medications are sometimes used. It is mainly reserved for people with severe disease and a weak immune system. Treatment is mainly the use of replacing fluids and electrolytes that are lost. In extreme cases, IV fluids will be needed. Sometimes relapse happens.
Current concerns about cryptosporidosis is that this parasitic infection remains in the body for only a short period of time. However, complications are more commonly seen in immunocompromised individuals. Another concern is the difficulty in removing this parasite from the water supply because Cryptosporidium is highly resistant to chlorination of the water. And the only cost-effective means in removing this parasite is through adequate filtration of the water.